Childhood need for safety and security. Karen Horney's perspective. For Horney, the primary driving force in human life is not libido or aggression, but the innate need for safety and security. She argued that a child is born into a world that is vastly more powerful and potentially threatening. To navigate this world and develop a healthy, cohesive personality, the child requires an environment of consistent, reliable warmth. This security acts as the psychological bedrock. When it is present, the child can freely explore their capacities, form genuine relationships, and develop a real self. When it is absent, the child's entire personality becomes organized not around growth, but around survival and defense against perceived threats. Parents' warmth and affection are crucial. Lack of genuine love leads to basic evil and insecurity. Horney emphasized that what a child needs most is genuine warmth and affection from caregivers, not just physical care, but authentic, empathetic emotional attunement. When parents fail to provide this, whether through active abuse, indifference, overprotection, humiliation, or erratic behavior, the child experiences what Horney termed basic evil. Crucially, basic evil is not a single traumatic event, but a pervasive atmosphere of parental behavior that makes the child feel unloved and unwelcome. This includes domination and overprotection, which smother autonomy, indifference and rejection, hostile or hypercritical attitudes, insincere affection, e.g., "I love you, but only if you are perfect." When a child is subjected to basic evil, they do not simply feel sad, they develop a profound and deep-seated insecurity. Because the child is dependent on the parents for survival, they cannot openly rebel or walk away. Instead, they must repress their resentment. This repressed hostility, combined with the feeling of being helpless in a hostile world, becomes the engine for lifelong insecurity. Childhood experiences of neglect, hostility, or insincere affection foster basic anxiety. This chronic insecurity crystallizes into what Horney called basic anxiety, a pervasive, free-floating feeling of being isolated and helpless in a world conceived as potentially hostile. Neglect teaches the child that they are fundamentally unimportant and that others cannot be relied upon. Hostility teaches the child that the world is dangerous and that they are inherently bad or worthy of punishment. Insincere affection teaches the child profound mistrust. They learn that love is transactional and conditional, making it impossible for them to ever feel safely attached. The tragedy of basic anxiety is that it is unconscious and disproportionate. The child projects their fear of the parents onto the entire world, perceiving all future relationships, with teachers, friends, and romantic partners, through this distorted lens of threat. To cope with this overwhelming anxiety, the child does not develop a real self based on their own feelings and values. Instead, they develop rigid, compulsive neurotic strategies to feel safe, which Horney later categorized into three major interpersonal orientations: moving toward people, compliant, seeking approval; moving against people, aggressive, seeking power; and moving away from people, detached, seeking independence. In summary, for Horney, childhood security is the non-negotiable prerequisite for a healthy personality. Without genuine parental warmth, the child encounters basic evil, which generates a deep well of resentment and helplessness. This resentment is repressed and transforms into basic anxiety, a fundamental feeling of isolation in a hostile world. Once basic anxiety takes root, the child's personality becomes a lifelong attempt to manage this fear, often at the expense of their authentic emotional growth and autonomy.